Last winter, I spent weeks staring at the ceiling, paralyzed by a decision that felt like it would unravel my life. You know that frozen feeling where your mind becomes a war zone and every thought feels like an enemy soldier? 1:03 a.m. in that icy stillness, I reached for the Gita like a lifeline, and chapter 2, verse 50 stopped me cold. A person engaged in dedicated work is freed from both good and bad results. O son of Kunti, engage in yoga alone, for yoga is skill in action. It wasn't about stopping the battle. It was about finding my stance within it. Krishna wasn't offering a magic shield. He was handing Arjuna an oar. We've all been Arjuna in that chariot, staring down a tidal wave of emails, a family argument boiling over, news that shakes your world. Your mind isn't just noisy, it's a full-blown Kurukshetra. And that tightness in your chest, the sleepless nights, that's not weakness. That's your humanity screaming, this is too much. For me, it's the way my jaw locks when my kid's crying collides with a work deadline. Suddenly, I'm not a parent or a professional. I'm just raw nerve endings. Arjuna's despair wasn't ancient history. It's the text message you're afraid to send, the hospital waiting room, the unpaid bill. The battlefield isn't out there. It's the landscape of our modern lives. Here's what we often miss. Krishna didn't stop the river of Arjuna's fear. He didn't dam the chaos. He said, build a boat. Your racing thoughts? They're like Mumbai's monsoon drains, overflowing, churning with debris, threatening to sweep you away. Trying to plug every leak is exhausting, futile. Build the boat instead, that anchor of purpose beneath the flood. What is the boat? It's not escapism. It's skillful action. Yoga karmasu kaushalam. It's choosing one next right thing when everything screams panic. I used to think skillful action meant grand gestures. Took me a decade to see. It's whispering breathe before replying to that angry email. It's washing one dish while your mind screams about the mountain. My first boat was full of holes. I sank constantly. That's how you learn. Let's build that boat. Start small, flawed, human. Practice 1, the 5-minute surrender. Grab any scrap of paper, set a timer, 5 minutes. Write the storm, raw, ugly, unedited. I'm terrified X will happen. I hate Y about today. Don't solve, don't judge. Just let the river flow onto the page. This isn't poetry, it's pressure release. Last Thursday, I skipped it. Scrolled Instagram while my anxiety spiked. Felt worse. Later, I found my journal under a pizza box. Progress isn't pretty. Practice 2, the anchor word. When the chaos hits, my toddler melting down while my phone rings, I freeze. Now, I touch this ring my guru gave me and whisper Dharma. One word, one breath. It doesn't stop the storm. It reminds me, I am the boat. Find your word. This isn't about becoming a calm statue. It's about not drowning. Your boat might wobble. You might bail water. That's the practice. Slowly, something shifts. The boat isn't just for survival anymore. It becomes your compass. That focus on skillful action starts guiding you through the chaos, not just away from it. 2 months ago, during that messy project launch, instead of frantic multitasking, I asked, what's the one thing only I can do right now? I wrote a single email, ignored the rest. The sky didn't fall. Krishna's wisdom isn't theory. It's the quiet voice saying, row here in the loudest storm. So next time chaos crashes in, when the diagnosis lands or the deal falls through, or you're crying in the supermarket parking lot, pause, just one breath. Touch your anchor. Feel the paper under your pen and ask gently, like you'd ask a frightened friend, where's my boat right now? Where's my inner Krishna in this storm?